So now it's time to record and organize your research. You'll be using NoodleTools for that, and all of you by now as juniors should have a NoodleTools username and password. If you have forgotten your login information, I can access that for you. You can shoot me an email, stop down the library anytime and find me, or you can go ahead and create a new account. Keep in mind that if you are creating a new account, you must first create that account at NDCL. Once you've created a username and password, you can access NoodleTools from anywhere. If you are creating a new account, I would suggest using the same username and password you use to log into the school computers, so that you don't have to remember yet another username and yet another password. Make things easy on yourself. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and we're going to set up your project. Okay. What you need to do is click on Create New Project. Okay. It defaults to the citation style of MLA, which is what you will be using. The citation level should be checked at Advanced, and your description should be unique to the project. I would suggest calling it Social Justice or Social Justice Project / your topic. Air pollution, human trafficking, fracking, what have you. Okay, and then click Create Project. Once you do that, it takes you to your dashboard, and you will need to share your project with your teacher's Dropbox. Your teacher may or may have not created the Dropbox as of yet, but they will share that information with you as needed, when that time comes. Keep in mind your first set of note cards are due on either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending if you have class on a blue or a gold day. Remember, you can always refer back to your project calendar on the Blackboard module. Okay, we'll be focusing on two components in using NoodleTools. We've already looked at the works cited and how you cite either a database or a website. So I'm not going to get into that. Let's go ahead and focus on the note cards. Keep in mind you are creating several sets of note cards, one for statistics, one for scripture, and in some cases information is provided for you to put on the note cards, and in other cases you have to create your own. So make sure you look over the rubrics provided. To create a new note card, you simply click on the button that says New Note Card, and it should take you to a very familiar screen. These are the different things you will be graded on. Again, look over the rubric so you know what to expect. Your title needs to be unique and needs to relate to the information found on the note card itself. Okay, you must link it to a source. Okay, I haven't created any citations, so I don't have any sources to link it to. Another reason why you should cite your source first and then extract the information. Copy and paste your URL in this spot right here, and then you're ready to fill in the big 3 boxes. Oops. Okay, so the big 3 boxes are direct quotation, paraphrase or summary, and then as I scroll down you have my ideas. Each 3 of these boxes should be filled in. Okay, after you've filled in the basics, your title, you've linked your source, and you've put your URL, you're ready to extract the information. Again, this information should be your statistics. You need 5 note cards, each with different statistics, all linked to a source. You simply copy and paste it in. You can copy images and graphs and charts into this box right here for direct quotation. And again, you need 5 statistics, and make sure they're very quality and really revealing the scope of the problem of your injustice. The second big white box over here is the paraphrase or summary. This is where you're going to explain what these statistics mean. Okay? It's not just numbers and charts and so on and so forth. It has a meaning, and you need to explain that meaning. You have to have an understanding. You have to put the statistics in context. And then the third box right here is simply just analyzing the statistics. How is this relevant to the purpose of this project? How is it revealing the scope of your problem, of your injustice? We want original thought under my ideas. We want analysis. We want to know how your statistics are focusing in on the problem and explaining why your injustice is a problem. And again, you need 5 of these note cards. All of those pieces and parts need to be filled in to the best of your ability. And always review the rubric before you start and after you are done to make sure you have fulfilled all of the requirements. I will be posting some examples of note cards for you to see. Keep in mind you have separate rubrics for both the scripture and the statistics note cards. So again, be sure to review both rubrics. Again, I wish you the best of luck and make sure you save and save often, and I will talk to you later. Toodles!